We've got 480 trucks and 7,000 trailers. Communication is paramount. My name's Steve Brightwell. I'm the transportation manager for 4840 Solutions. I've been using Prestige for several years now. Prestige Fleet is my on-site and mobile mechanic service. We use them for all of our trailer repairs and some truck repairs. If I have a vehicle that breaks down on the side of the road or is broke down at a plant, within 30 minutes to an hour, I've got somebody on it already. Prestige is really good about that. They have a very large network, so it's remedied quickly. Having it fixed right the first time correctly is always the motto. Prestige is really big about that. I've got one of the mechanics, he'll work until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. You know, his main goal is to get the equipment back on the road. Communication is paramount. I'm in constant conversation with almost all of the technicians. I speak to them at least once a week. If you have issues that you need their help with, they're on it. I mean, they are there. They're gonna bend over backwards to get you taken care of.